So here is how to factory reset an EE Brightbox wireless router made by Arcadian. So get your standard issue reset and eject tool, which is otherwise known as a bent paperclip or a pin or some other thing. On this router, the reset button is situated quite far back, so you do need to use something that's quite long rather than just a ballpoint pen or something. Between the Ethernet sockets and the DSL socket, here is the reset hole. So I'm going to put my paperclip into the back of that, and I'm going to let you know when I've pressed and when I've let go, and we'll see whether it factory resets. So get your pin in place, which is quite difficult to do when you're trying to film with one hand, and put the reset button or the paperclip in with the other. So here goes. I've got the reset tool or the paperclip in the right place, and I'll tell you when I'm about to press the button and then when I've let go of the button. So I'm going to press it now. And then I've let go now. That was just over 5 seconds. Now nothing will change at all on the router. Its lights don't change. It just sits there looking like it's doing exactly the same thing that it was. The only indication I've got is on a computer where I can actually see that the pings have started dropping to the router. You do have to wait about 2 minutes for it to reboot. And there we go, it's finally started responding again on the Ethernet. And that's how you factory reset. So go back to all the settings that the router was on when it was delivered to you. A EE Brightbox router, which is holding down the reset button on the back using a paperclip for just over 5 seconds. And there we go, the router is back to the original settings. Before I tried that, I'd set the username to something that was totally irrelevant, and doing the 5 seconds or 6 seconds with the paperclip has put it back to the ready to connect option. If this video has been helpful to you, it would be really helpful to me if you wouldn't mind subscribing to my YouTube channel. You don't need to have notifications switched on, but just the subscriber numbers would be really good. Thank you very much.